Hello, my name is Breon Mills, and I would like to welcome you back. Today, we're going to talk about Plug. Okay, Plug has been gaining a lot of momentum as of late. I remember I was in Plug when it was around $5. I think it went down to two. I ended up selling it, but I ended up jumping back in. So I'm up on Plug right now, doing pretty good actually. All right, so take a look at the chart here. We have the 20 period exponential moving average. All right, and whenever we pull up a chart, we like to take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, so as we can see here, on the MACD, oscillator crossed over going upward. Upward momentum has been booming and it has been moving upward. Strong momentum to the upside. All right, we had a slight pullback in the momentum here, but other than that, it's been rolling quite along. As we can see here in the chart, the last 3 weeks, the momentum has been slowing down. You take a look at the candles here. We have the large green bullish candle followed by a red candle that starts out above the candle, then closes more than 50% below the following candle. That is called a dark cloud cover. All right. So again, this is a weekly chart, but dark cloud cover is a sign of bearish momentum. So, and it's followed by the following 2 weeks. So we can see here, following 2 weeks have been down a little bit. Okay. All right. Again, we have momentum to the downside, but the stock has been doing well this week. Um, have a good bullish candle. So the bulls took over, but the bears have been fighting back to bring the price down a little bit. But overall, nice bullish candle. Okay, on the weekly chart. All right, momentum slowing down, but we want to try to see that this red column here, this green column here. We want to see this kind of increase in size throughout the duration of the week. All right. Now let's take a look at the daily candle. All right, so the daily candles. So, all right, so the daily candles give us a deeper look into the price fluctuation and the momentum on a daily level. All right, so we can see here, right? We had the oscillator moving up, price moving up, moving up. Now we have some sideways trading a little bit. All right, and we have a reversal in the oscillator, so reversal in volume. So the volume has been going down, and remember, it's because the volume, the momentum drops drastically. That doesn't mean the stock is going to drop drastically. The price of the stock can drop or it can move sideways. Okay, so we had a slight drop here from half 19 to around 14.26, and it's been I'm hanging steadily here. So we can say we have some support around the $14 mark. Okay, and so now let's take a look at the momentum here. So the momentum was gaining to the downside. Right now, all of a sudden, it's slowly um, gaining its momentum up to the upside, and we can clearly see an upward shape here on the oscillator. It flattened out the last couple of days, but hopefully the oscillator could cross over. We can be headed back with positive momentum, and this positive momentum should help drive the price higher. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Crossover on the oscillator, drive the price higher. Okay. All right. Now again, plug has been moving quite well. Hasn't moved that far from the 20-day exponential moving average. Remember, once it moves away from the 20-day, it always returns. Okay. So it moved away, returned. All right. Stayed on that 20-day EMA, moved up, broke away from it a little bit, snapped right back to that 20-day EMA. Okay. All right. So remember, stocks don't move too far away from the 20-day moving average. Okay. So we did have some trading here above the 20-day moving average. In here, we're still above the 20-day moving average, but we had a low right on that 20-day moving average. And that's actually what's going on today. All right. So again, man, plug presents a great opportunity, and there is nothing but forward upward momentum here. When we look at the daily charts, I don't see anything on the charts that says, hey, we're going to have a strong reversal in pattern and it's going to be strong moving to the downside. I haven't seen any candle that represents that. All right. Take a look at the 15-minute chart. All right. So we can see there's a lot of movement pre-market. All right. Then at the open, it fell over on a cliff. And remember, depending on your trading strategy, if it falls far away from that 20, you could jump back in and you can ride it back up to that 20-day moving average. All right. Or you can simply wait, take a look at the MACD, wait for it to gain momentum. All right. Like here, wait for it to wait for the oscillator to cross over and ride that wave up for a quick profit. All right. So there are many different ways you can do it, but plug is definitely a long-term hold, and there are definitely some opportunities where you can trade the stock as well. Okay. All right. That's all I have for today. Thanks for checking me out. Again, if you like the information, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, or leave a comment on how I can improve my delivery on this content. Okay. All right. But other than that, peace.